Jai Hind student. Now we are going to introduce next topic, irrational number. So in the previous video I already introduced what is irrational number. As you can see that irrational number, a non-terminating, non-repeating decimals are called irrational number. So number should not be terminate. You can see here that number is not terminating, it is continuous repeating, right? And there is nothing repetition of a string. You can see 1 2 1 3 1 5 7 1 2 8 7 4 3. There is no string, no any kind of string which is repeating one by one. 1 2 1 3 1 5. Yes, digits are repeating, but there is no string which is repeating. For example, if we take another example, 0.121 121 121 and so on. So this is write as 0.121 bar. So this is the repeating string. So this is not an irrational number. This is rational number. Rational number, but this number is irrational number because it is non-repeating and non-terminating. Now there are various examples for the irrational number. First is this irrational number. Second type of irrational number is under root m. What do you mean by under root m? M is the number which is positive integer and it should not be a perfect square. Positive integer means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, but not perfect square. It means we will have to avoid 4 9 16. These all numbers are perfect square. So under root m will include root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 8, root 10 and so on. Root 4 is not. Under root 4 is a rational number because under root 4 can be write as 2. So 2 is rational number, right? So this is rational number, but all these numbers are irrational. These all numbers are irrational number. Along with this, third type of irrational number is pi. Pi is again an irrational number.